Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome to another New at Tuesday morning. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you guys read the description box for my New at Tuesday morning videos for a chance to enter on these giveaways. So first, let me show you what I found, and then the winner is in a small clip after this clip, and then my Tuesday morning walkthrough. Okay, they didn't have much, which is good, but there was a couple of new things that came in. So let me start by showing you what I found. These are from the Happy Hearts collection, and these are the journaling pieces. These weren't in my store last week, so I found them this week. Very cute. I didn't have these, so I picked these up. They did have another one of these ephemeras, so I went ahead and picked it up. And then they had these also. These will go really well with any traveling theme, or if you craft with Maggie Holmes, Round Trip would be the collection to use these with. $3.29. You do get a couple pieces in there. And then this, they had a lot of Gemini dies and stamps again. This will be the giveaway for this video, so you guys make sure to read that description box and comment. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, and I will pick the winner for this set next on my next New at Tuesday morning. Okay, it's really cute, you guys. It's a nice size. There's a couple dies in here and the stamp sets and the stamps that go with this. I'm sorry. So very cute. I thought you guys would like this. Has all those cute strawberries there. Okay, so you guys make sure you follow the rules on that description box. And not Tuesday morning related, but I did get some things in the mail. I did get these Conquer the Ninth, just the tickets dies. This is the set. This is the dies. And these are the stamps that go with them. Very cute. I really like these. And they give you, well, not a sample, but some how they look like. I thought they were very cute. They do have a Matchbox die and stamp set as well. I didn't pick it up. I'm still thinking about it. They're kind of expensive, but they're really good dies. I also picked this up from eBay. This is from Jen Hadfield, and this is a real, like, it's like a real size Polaroid card, so I really like this. Very cute. And then I do have this. I've shown this before, but I didn't have the original packaging, so I'm very glad that I found in a very good condition. Okay. And then this die, this is from Eileen Hall, and this is one of her retired dies. I did find this on eBay, and it makes this box. I know it's really basic, but I collect her dies, and I really like this one. Okay. And then from Hobby Lobby, they did have their Copics on sale. They were $1.99. I hope you guys can see the colors like this. I did pick up a few. Make sure you guys open them and test them out, because I got 2 of them that were dry. So I'm going back to see if I can return these, and maybe they have a couple more. But you know, when Copics go on sale or clearance, they go on clearance at Hobby Lobby, I'm sorry, they go really, really fast. I also picked up these burlap hearts that they had, and they were 40 off, I believe. Okay, so okay, you guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and the winner is coming right up in my Tuesday morning walkthrough.